Hi everyone, this 5-minute video is for you, the leadership development and HR executive. I'm executive coach Yuri Galimidi. If you are striving to provide your up-and-coming leaders with the very best leadership development program available, I invite you to explore our unique 6-month leadership mastery program, which comprises 6 leadership development workshops and 12 one-on-one coaching sessions for each participant. And if you choose to stay until the end of this video, you'll be able to benefit from a high-value, complimentary, no-obligation offer, which you will never regret taking advantage of. The 6 90-minute leadership development workshops cover the following topics: communicate with impact, executive presence and confidence, develop your political acumen, build high-performing teams, develop your emotional intelligence, and chart your career roadmap. Each module covers the science underlying the concepts presented, case stories to illustrate these concepts, and in-class practice activities to help participants acquire the leadership skills and behaviors they seek. Optional additional modules include embrace diversity and inclusion, decision-making and intuition, execute with excellence, build your grit and resilience, integrity, trust, and respect, create your professional brand, engage your advocates and mentors, build productive work habits, and practice mindfulness. The 6-month program also includes a 360 degrees assessment and debrief for each participant, and as I mentioned before, 12 hours of one-on-one coaching for each participant. The specific content, format, and duration of the workshops and the coaching will be tailored to the needs of your organizations and the participants. By way of background, I spent most of my career in senior consulting and IT positions, including partner with Accenture, VP with Oracle Corporation, and senior VP with PricewaterhouseCoopers. 10 years ago, I switched from active consulting to leadership coaching. Since then, I provided coaching support to countless leaders and professionals, from managers to CEOs. I've also presented leadership development webinars to over 150,000 professionals from all over the world. I'm credentialed by the International Coach Federation as a professional certified coach. Even if you currently have an ongoing leadership development program, I still invite you to consider our Leadership Mastery program. And as a thank you for your consideration, I'm offering the first 10 companies a complimentary, no obligation leadership training needs analysis, which comprises 3 interviews with your key stakeholders, a comprehensive science-based survey, and a summary training needs report. In addition, I'm offering the first company to sign up for the Leadership Mastery program a discount of 25% of the standard cost of the program. The second and third companies to sign up will receive a discount of 15%. I know that making investment decisions regarding leadership development is not easy, but I can assure you of 2 things. Number 1, even at our standard fees, our program is very affordable to all organizations. And number 2, if you do decide to make this investment in your leaders, it will pay you back many times over. To discuss the leadership training needs analysis and our Leadership Mastery program, please go to www.calendly.com/Yuri Gali to schedule a Zoom call with me, or please email me at yuri@thewilltochange.com. I look forward to speaking with you soon, and until then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.